and today it's the 25th of July 2020. Okay, compress if you like. It's on Naapuripellontie in Naapuripellontie 8 stekesi. We have filmed the stekesi CMP here as well if you watch them. The stekesi has a spare part for the call button as a touch button on the first floor. And the rest of them are the regular smart buttons here.
Yeah.
Oh no, it's stripped away. The Schindler was stripped here, but it was finished in 2003, built in the beginning of 2003. 02, only the glass for 2002. No basement floor here, so no -1. And this number is 460982. It's going to be inspected this year in 2023 when it's turning 20 years old. Let's go back to the first floor. I like the granite floor on the walls here.
Teit päällittäisi tuota, että mä en tehnyt Espoon hissi.
Those floor showers were beautiful. Here it's a different floor, but the first floor was the beautiful granite floor and walls.
Yeah.
That's it. Thanks for watching. And a granite staircase.
That's